Hi everybody, it's Mercy and I'm back again with another video. This one is an unboxing. For those of you guys who watch my channel, and I know that I haven't been on in forever, but for those of you guys who watch my channel, you know that I got a Pochette Félicie in Damier Azur. Well, it had a defect to it because on the bottom of it, it had waves going to it. So about a year ago, I took back the Félicie and that had to store credit. So they asked me what I wanted, and I wanted a purse that was made in France. But it's really hard to get a purse made in France now in the USA. So I went ahead and I got a Favorite MM in Damier Azur. So you guys can see this because it's becoming very hard to get. My son is videotaping me. He's about to sneeze. So just yesterday I called the SA at the Tampa store, called me, Brian, who is a fabulous SA who has been helping me. So here's my receipt in here. And it's the short ones. I don't know why they don't do the long ones anymore, but it's the short ones. And here's the box. And I had been trying to see what it is that I wanted because I really wanted one made in France, being that my bag had been made in France. But since it's so hard to get one made in France, I just went ahead and got one that is made in the USA. So here is the Favorite that everybody has been going goo goo gaga over because it's going to be discontinued soon. So this is what the bag looks like on the outside. And it has a magnetic closure. And it still has the sticker on it. And then here is the strap. And here is the chain that goes to, are you seeing this? She's trying not to laugh. You haven't been videotaping this whole time?
I have.
Are you still videotaping now?
Yeah.
Then why did it just make a sound?
Because that's my phone.
Oh.
You see?
So it has a chain that goes on the outside. And then here is the strap that goes here. So it'll fit me like a shoulder bag. And then if I want to do it as a crossbody, he was showing me that you take the chain and you make it sort of like an extender. So you put it over here. So this is like if you want to hold it like a clutch kind of a thing, or a wristlet. Put it over here. If it will go in with my nails. And then it becomes longer, so you can wear it like a crossbody. So here is my this is the Favorite MM. And this is the interior. It has a beige interior. And this is what it looks like. Has one little slip pocket here with the paperwork inside of it, and then the rest of it is just a regular compartment. So that is it. That is my new bag. Hope you guys like it. Bye.